Hi guys, Paul.
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors. We are here. I don't know if you can see it though. There you go. Sunrise of the Kinzua Skybridge outside of Mount Jewett, Pennsylvania. Look at that. We are at least 300 feet up in the air. There's the rubble from the tornado that took care of this viaduct. And there is the sky. The sun that we beat. Loser. We beat on the way here. Thought we took some wrong turns, thought we were gonna not see it, but we ended up seeing it. So here it is. We're trying to show you. There you go. Look at that. Sunrise in Pennsylvania at the Kinzua Skybridge. And we're using Ryan's phone because I ran out of the truck so fast to get here to beat that son of a bitch in sky, that sun that I forgot my phone. So anyway, this has been Paul.
Hi Ryan.
You're going to see more from us from Kinzua Bridge. And it is a toasty 19 degrees out. Cheers. There it is, this Kinzua Skybridge. We went right back to, and then there's the loser sun finally up. We had to go back to the truck to get my phone and then to warm up. It's 19 degrees out today, so it was a little frigid after staying out there for a while. And we're not really. She's layered, but I'm not. She's got like 3 coats and 17 hats. I am not. So my hands were a little cold. Our faces were cold out there. Really not windy, but there's a little bit of something out there. But it's pretty kind of awesome. The ravens, after we got done recording, the ravens came out. Yep. The ravens came out and joined us. They were flying overhead, and that was pretty awesome. Depending on where you are in PA, like, you don't see them too much. But they're up here in the mountains for sure. And it is a pleasure to see the ravens every time I do. So, well, just trying to manipulate stairs at the moment. Here's the big gift shop and stuff. We haven't been in it ever. It looks pretty fancy though. I wonder if they even have like a... No, probably not.
They said concessions.
There is a concession in there? Okay. Awesome.
I knew you were thinking food.
I was thinking food. I'm kind of hungry. We're going to go find a place to eat after this too. And say exhibitions. No, exhibits. I thought it was one of those, like the brothel place. Yeah, whoa, what's going on here?
Brothels and bridges.
Brothels and bridges. They come to a dam. They go together with dams. So, here we go. Commerce to collapse. Huh. 120 years until an F1 tornado toppled it in 2003. Pretty crazy. Iron construction completed in 94 days in 1882. And then the skywalk was completed in 11. And here it is. It is epic to behold. It is something that it's just when you're out there, I really don't think, I was expressing this is some of the cool stuff to do while you're here. Kinzua Bridge, Elk County, beautiful. When you see the elk, Semahoning State Park, Cherry Springs. You got to be there at night to really enjoy Cherry Springs. Hinder View is really cool. They do hang gliding off there. Cook Forest is absolutely beautiful. Black Machana State Park, Bald Eagle State Park, Tyodotton State Forest, and Leonard Harrison State Park. Here's a couple things, and there will be on the map. Let me see if I can get it all in there. You can pause that. Definitely cool stuff, but no one's here.
No, just us.
This is just our little today. There's some nice firewood. I don't know where you're allowed to have a fire around here, but we are going to walk away from the bridge to get a different vantage point. We're going to go to Cafe Sol in Mount Jewett. It's a Swedish themed place to go get ourselves some coffee. Gotta look like those local businesses, you know. Just walk with us on this nice toasty morning. In our element. There we go. You can pause that and read it. All right. We were lucky. We were walking around the woods earlier yesterday and found some chaga. So that was a really cool find. So I grind it up and try to make some teas out of it. Maybe grind up some reishi, mix it together. Very beneficial health-wise. So, okay, now we're gonna go get the side profile of this massive monument to mechanisms. All right, here we go.
Oh wow!
I know it just it doesn't. It's hard to describe.
The magnitude of the devastation.
Yeah, and just just how much it took to build this too. I mean,
And then wind just took it right down.
Nature will always win. There you go. And here's the birds. The scarlet tangler, the turkey vulture, the cedar waxwing, my favorite, the pileated woodpecker, the ruffled grouse, and let's see, one more, and the black-capped chickadee. So there you go for your, what was it, ornithologists? You get that little bit of the bird lovers. And there's some more down there, so I'm going to just give you this view quick. And it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day out today. I'm going to swing all the way around. And there's the sun. Here comes the sun. Copyright. Okay. Let's get down to the other side. We are here. Force of nature. I think it helps with the magnitude of how quiet it is right now too. Just and we were out there this morning, which is 300 some feet up in the air. We were out here before. We just never filmed. We didn't have the channel going yet. We had a little bit of an experience today because the boards are so cold that when we were walking, they were popping,
cracking,
and cracking. They were like, boom, pow, crack. And we're like, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Some were really, really loud. Sounded like gunshots off in the valley. It was just crazy. So I was going to say that was a little, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, that's a little hair raising considering, 300 feet up and boards are popping and cracking. That was not my...
It got the adrenaline going.
It got the adrenaline going. I wouldn't say it was it probably wasn't one of my bravest moments in the world, but I was like, just be brave. And we just kept on going. So, and I had to do the same thing on the way back. They were popping even worse on the way back. But this is it. Now we might go down there. I don't know if we're going to go down today. Like I said, it is 19 degrees. Mm-hmm. But you never know.
It's a little icy.
But here we are. And this is our great Valentine's Day weekend. We had a lot of fun and adventures, and look for it because I think we're going to take all the pictures and stuff we took of the Valentine's Day weekend and do a little collage for the channel too. I think it's worth it. So anyway, this has been Paul.
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors Couple. We're just loving it. And we're not done yet. Cheers.